Hi, my name is Eric Ayuan. I'm the Director of Pickleball Athletics and IPTPA Certified Instructor and a 5.0 player. Today we're going to be talking about pickleball at one of the new culture communities on the pickleball courts. We're going to be talking a bit about strategies and what is pickleball. The game of pickleball is played by what we call the pickleball paddle, and we have different types of paddles. Some of them made out of graphite, some of them are made out of what we call a polypore composite, and some of the basic beginner rackets are just a wooden paddle and is played with a wiffle ball. I'm going to talk a little bit about court positioning and singles. So from this position, I'm serving in the same adjacent court. I'm going to serve the ball. She's going to move up. I'm going to hit the ball and I'm going to move up, and then we're going to go into a dinking battle here. Now let's look at the non-volley zone. The non-volley zone is 7 feet from the net to this line that we see here. My feet are not allowed to touch the line. It has to be completely behind that line. The only time I can step my foot in there if the ball bounces in the non-volley zone, and then I can hit it back. And then I got to be able to come right back out. Whenever the serving team is serving the ball in pickleball, you want to make sure both of your serving team are in the back of the baseline. The opposing team, you'll have one person at the net, one person receiving the serve, because after she hits the serve, she's going to be charging up to the court, and after I hit the ball, both of us are charging up to the line as well. Because remember, the game is played in the kitchen or the non-volley zone. Here, let me give you a little demonstration. Okay, ready, 0, 0, 1. If you're interested to learn more about pickleball, please contact us at www.pbaclub.com.